Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game audio is routed to a known device. This avoids guessing later. Once done, open OBS and pick the scene where the game will live. Next, add an audio output capture source and choose the device that plays your game. This captures systems sound from that output. Make sure to name the source clearly so you can spot it. Clear labels save time when you adjust levels or troubleshoot. Once the audio source is added, you need to balance it with other inputs. You'll see the source in OBS's audio mixer. Move the fader so peaks sit around -6 to -12 decibels. If the game is too loud or fluctuates, apply a compressor and optionally a noise gate to smooth dynamics. Make a short local recording and listen back to verify relative levels versus microphone and music. Adjust until dialogue and game. To finish, set up advanced routing if you want separate tracks. Install a virtual audio driver, route the game to that device, then map it to an OBS output track in Settings Output. Once mapped, enable the tracks and test again. If you encounter silence, check Windows Output Assignment, App-Specific Audio Settings, and OBS's microphone/capture permissions. Also disable Exclusive Mode, which can block capture. If problems persist, restart OBS and the game. That often resolves device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.